AI can be effective in three ways: education, optimization, and creativity. I'm going to show you how to make a personalized, customized, AI generated plan for my good buddy in school. Okay. Anton is a good dude. I met him in the Skool Community Thrive Academy. Thank you, Robbie Swag. Let's make you your own customized AI powered plan, because the message you were talking about starting your community on was pretty cool. I like it. So let's get into it. How are we going to start you a plan? Well, we got to go with the community name first, Life Supercharged. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to BizRise.io and I'm going to log in, email, password. It saves it in there. I got to stop doing that. And get logged in. From there, we're going to go to Skool. This is where we're going to generate your plan. We got Homestead for Jordan, BizRise.io for me, and the AI Factory. Robbie Swag, if you see this and want your plan, I have that under a different email. But if I'm going to be doing them kind of as demos, I'm going to do them under my profile and then rip them out to people. Just makes it a little bit quicker. So Anton, let's go get it going. Life Supercharged. How are we going to put you together a plan that you can use and optimize for growing Life Supercharged? When you're talking about, hey, let's educate some people on some finances and real life and just how the real world is, that's something that people need. And so for your community, I wanted to do you an AI assist. Let's see. Deeply invested. So there was a couple things. Finances. Let's go personal finances. And we're going to go relationships, and mental and physical well-being. And what's going to go on here is basically, in the background of this, I've essentially prompt engineered just, hey, act as an expert in this. These are the skills. Let's generate a target market. So it's going to go to Gemini and spit us out a result. A little bit of gamification there. Learn that in school. That's what they teach in school. Make a little bit of a game. So some progress, a little noise, and then it's got the stars to give people an indicator it's working and not just stopped. Let's go. Check it out. I mean, right down the middle. Target market, niche, notch, nachuchu. Gonna stop doing that, I promise. Let's identify some problems. Let's go. Lack of knowledge on real world finances. Problem 2. What are we solving here? Relationships. Jeez. Some people go through tough breakups and relationships, and it's hard on them in life. Heard that. And physical, mental well-being. Most people don't take care of their mental and physical well-being. Sometimes you just need a good friend. Okay, let's go ahead and save. What are potential problems in your target market and niche, and then create opportunities from them based on your community. Okay, so those look pretty good. And if you hear my dogs, they're hanging out, Cookie and Cheech. Make sure you say what up if you see this in the chat. Channel or course, we're gonna go at AI. Dude, let's go. Look at your channel. YouTube.com. I wonder if you have that YouTube channel up. I don't know yet. You gotta approve my membership for your community. Let's go get Robbie's. We'll get her YouTube. So that can be on there as well. And then if I don't find yours, I'll get Jordan's. There's Robbie's. Here is mine. We're gonna put in the links on this one and see what happens. Boom. And Jordan, where you at, bro? You guys need to start your own communities. I just go to Robbie's community to find your stuff. I know, Jordan. I know. Where's your YouTube channel? I know you put it somewhere and there's like a certain thing to find it, but that was on Thrive. Pimp yourself out. Where is Jordan? There we go. With your special trick there. Homestead made easy. Jordan, we need to get together for an affiliate program that I'm setting up for BizRise.io and just have you double check it. Make sure the links are all right there. All right, Anton, there are your new 3 favorite channels. I'm just kidding. You can put in whatever you want, but this will get us rolling. Keep it rolling, rolling, rolling. What? All right, next one. We have what is working. What are you doing well? Let's go check it out. Anton. Jeez. Yeah, see, we need to get this friendship leveled up here, Anton. So, let's see. What's working well? Advice and friendships. Real world education. A tight and close community of friends. Okay. Let's save that. What up? Doing free community assist for Mr. Anton. Let's go. Alright, there's what's working. We're going to save this. And Anton, you can always take it and obviously do whatever you want with it. I'll put it into a PDF and put it in the community. And what are we bringing? One-on-one life coaching sessions, financial coaching, and personal advice for the real world, relationship breakup, and hard, and life can be hard sometimes. Support. I probably could have worded that better, but the good thing is we have AI, so let AI do the work that AI is good at. Optimize a process. That is the goal, not just use it and forget it. You want to develop AI into a process so you can get better with it every day. And this is just the start. If you want to see my AI factory agent, go to BizRise.io and check out that agent. Because that's what you do with your AI plan, is you put it into an AI agent and then it helps you grow your community. We're not making AI just to make AI. We're not doing a ChatGPT prompt stack. It's going to forget tomorrow. This is an AI-powered Flutterflow web app with Vertex AI agents. It is going to be how you can... I mean, it is right now, but a lot of people just hear about GPT, but if you're going to make AI sustainable in the future, develop it into a process. That's how you got to do it. It isn't something where it's like a parlor trick, but you need to set it up to be a constantly moving process. It isn't a one and done thing. And people need to be aware of that. Anton, let's see what we got here. We got our results. So make sure when you get these, man, I mean, you know, next time we can go on live or do it, whatever, but this will kind of give you an outline, just save a lot of time, right? Like, here's what AI says would probably be a good idea. Tweak it, make it your own, and light it up. Let's see what it says for the description. This is the one I really like checking out, is description and outline. Rapid growth blueprints, objectives. I mean, that gives you an outline as well. So that actually might work out pretty good if I leave it the same, because in the course description, it's going to give you that specific description for Life Supercharged, and then course outline gives you an outline for the how to build, grow, and scale a Skool community, which I like. Save. Now we need to get you a logo. I don't know if you have a logo yet. Let me see. Life Supercharged. All right, I don't know if you have a logo. I'm going to make you a quick logo. Change it to you how you see fit. I kind of get your vibe. I mean, you're slick, you're strong, you're clean, black and red. So we need to go something sharp, poppin', stand out. Let's go sharp logo. Ooh, I like that. Dude, Anton, you might like this, man. Supercharged. Because one thing I've learned for sure when it comes to making logos, when it comes to making anything, Simple, straightforward is definitely the way to go. So I don't, dude, this one might be, I mean, you might not need to make a logo, bro. Just saying. It's a little big, but that'll be all right for getting your community set up. You know, that looks pretty good, bro. Just saying. Oh, yeah, looks pretty good. I wonder what kind of font you like. Or if you want the logo bigger or smaller. I mean, I know you're into some canvas stuff, so make sure you can kind of tinker with that. This one's side by side. I might stack it, but it looks pretty good like this. Dang, I kind of like that. Okay. I'll put this on my community too if you need it. Anton, you can just download it with your stuff. That looks really good. I am happy about that. All right, Anton, let's check out your community generated logo here, buddy. And all I did is I went to Canva. I went for Sharp logo template, and this is one of the ones came up. I just kind of redid it because one thing I do know is my strengths and weaknesses. One of my weaknesses is I fucking suck at design. Like, I am not an artistic person. The less time I spend out trying to figure that and just do it, use their templates and move, the better. Like, I'm not a good artist. I'm never going to be a good artist, much as I waste time doing it. So I don't spend time on it, all right? Life Supercharged logo. All right, upload this photo. Damn, how's that thing look? What do you think, dude? Let me know. I think that looks pretty sick. Set pricing options. So monthly subscription, I don't know what you're thinking early on, but based on your target market, I mean, that might be one of those ones you price pretty cheap on a monthly subscription and just go mass people. But if you want to keep it tight, you mention in your Chinggis you're about, so we'll just ramp that up. Single course purchase, we'll do. So then that way you have the option of, moving it around, but we'll save you. Okay, so we got live Supercharged, brother. If you need your community assist, what I do from here is I'm going to take this, I'm going to clean it up in Gemini, basically get rid of the stars, put in bullet points, and then I will put it all on a Google Doc, put it on a PDF, and put it up in the community. That way, what you can do with it, and what I do with it, is if you check out BizRise.io in that little chat bubble in the bottom right, that is a Vertex AI agent. I've trained that on the AI factory growth plan and what is BizRise.io. So it's one thing, right? Like, okay, cool, we have an AI generated plan, but now how do we use it and make it effective? Make a Vertex AI assistant, use that assistant to help you grow your community. I was tinkering with mine last night and it is just dialed in quickly. Like social posts, how to set up your community, video scripts. Like, it is insane what you can do with these things in a short amount of time. So without further ado, I'm going to end that recording. I'm going to stay live, Anton. So if you want to see this on YouTube, I will be editing your community plan. And I'm going to do that live, and we're just going to hang out. So if anybody sees this and they want to develop their own Skool community plan for free, let me know. I will help you out. And there is a 14-day free trial for Skool. So here we go. We're going to end that one.